You told me the story of the war, where the powerful prey on the weak. But that's not the way it has to be.
Alita is not like any of the characters that I've done before or that you've done before. She clearly is something much more than what she first appears to be.
Just trying to kind of like channel this power that she's feeling emerging, and she starts to realize that she was someone important.
I don't know what I am.
You have the most advanced weapon ever.
This body, it has the power I need. I feel a connection to it I can't explain.
She has to become a warrior again, but one that now has a conscience and a humanity to them.
Does it bother you that I'm not human?
You are the most human person I have ever met.
I identify with the journey of this character, realizing she has power, but then what do you do with that power? How do you decide your own morality to really direct the awesome power that you can possess?
She's absolutely fearless.
I do not stand by in the presence of evil.